Okay, cold start of the Honda CB350 Four. Put on reserve, choke on. Oké, Jan. Contact. Ja. En we achter het choke denk ik een beetje af. Een beetje gas overnemen. Engine is still cold. Ja. Even laten draaien. Ja. Een beetje langzaam oppakken en dan So, very nice Honda CB350 Four. This was the cold start. The 350s are more and more wanted because of the riders used to ride the 750s. And I think the bike's is getting too heavy, and then they want to have the smaller one. So the baby Four is getting more and more wanted by the older riders who want to have a Honda 4-cylinder that's lighter and more easy to use. And speed is not that important for those who buy a 354. This one is very, very nice, and we can ship it worldwide. Beautiful bike in silver. Beautiful. Let's see. Lights. Oh, okay. Well, that's it. If you're interested, contact me for more information and price. Thank you. Bye bye.